All right, so example 6, we're finding the derivative. So the derivative will equal, we're going to find an arc sine. Nothing special about this one, so we just use the formula 1 minus square root 1 minus x squared, plus, then we have to find the derivative of x times the square root of 1 minus x squared. So we're going to have to use the product rule. So that will be x times the derivative of the square root of 1 minus x squared. So that's 1/2 1 minus x squared to the negative 1/2, plus the square root of 1 minus x squared times the derivative of x, which is just 1. And so this, we're going to leave it like this. We need common denominators. So this ends up being x over, I forgot to do my chain rule here, so I should have multiplied by negative 2x. So it should be x squared over the square root of 1 minus x squared, and it is going to be negative, plus I have the square root of 1 minus x squared. I need common denominator, so I'm going to multiply by the square root of 1 minus x squared over the square root of 1 minus x squared. So this ends up being 1 minus x squared over the square root of 1 minus x squared. So they all have the same denominator, and I can combine them together. So it becomes 2 minus 2x squared all over the square root of 1 minus x squared. We can factor out a 2. And so this is to the first power, the denominator is to the 1/2 power. So 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2. So it's 2 square root of 1 minus x squared as our final answer.